everyone, I'm Junami Pascasio and welcome to my channel. Please enjoy watching. What is rubric? Rubric is a scoring guide that helps teacher evaluate student performance based on a range of criteria. There are two types of rubrics, the holistic rubric and analytic rubrics. A holistic rubric consists of single scale with all criteria to be included in the evaluation being considered together. An analytic rubric resembles a grid with the criteria for a student product listed in the leftmost column and with levels of performance listed across the top row, often using numbers and or her descriptive tag. When to use holistic rubric? Holistic rubric are the best to use when there is no single correct answer or response, and the focus is on overall quality and proficiency, etc. When to use analytic rubrics? Analytic rubrics are particularly useful for problem solving or application assessment. Holistic rubric is a single criteria rubric or one-dimensional, used to assess participants' overall achievements on an activity. Analytic rubrics. It is a two-dimensional rubrics with levels of achievement as column and assessment criteria as row. The advantage of holistic rubric. First, emphasize on what the learner is able to demonstrate rather than what she or he can. Second, save time by minimizing the number of decisions. Can be applied consistently by increasing reliability. Does not provide specific feedback for improvement. When the student work is at varying levels, spanning the criteria points, it can be difficult to select the single best description. Criteria cannot be weighted. Provide useful feedback on areas, strength, and weakness. Criteria can be weighted to reflect the relative importance of each dimension. Take more time to create and use than a holistic rubric, unless each point for each criteria is well defined. Raters may not arrive at the same score. Portfolio assessment is a theme with many meanings, and it is a process that can serve a variety of purposes. The primary purpose of an assessment portfolio is to document student on a specific curriculum outcomes. As such, the items in the portfolio must be designed to elicit the knowledge and skill. Step 1. Assess the current situation. Step 2. Establish investment objects. Step 3. Determine asset allocation. Step 4. Select investment option. Step 5. Monitor, measure, and rebalance. A portfolio assessment can be an examination of student selected samples of work, experiences, and documents related to outcomes being assessed. Serves as a cross-section lens, providing a basic for future analysis and planning. Serves as a concrete vehicle for communication, providing ongoing communication or exchanges of information among those involved in assessment. Offers the possibility of assessing the more complex and important aspect of a learning area or subject matter. It may be seen as less reliable or fair than more quantitative evaluation. Having to develop one's individualized criteria can be difficult or unfamiliar or first. It can be very time consuming for teachers to organize and evaluate the content of portfolio. Portfolio can be just a miscellaneous collection of artifacts that do not show patterns of growth and achievement. Data from portfolio assessment can be difficult to analyze or aggregate to show change. Multiple intelligence refers to a theory describing the different ways students learn and acquire information. These multiple intelligence range from the use of words, numbers, pictures, and music to the social interactions, introspection, physical movement, and being in tune with nature. Number 1, spatial intelligence. Number 2, kinesthetic intelligence. Number 3, musical intelligence. Number 4, verbal intelligence. Number 5, interpersonal intelligence. Number 6, social intelligence. Number 7, mathematical intelligence. Number 8, naturalist intelligence. And number 9, existential intelligence. This is a type of intelligence believed to be the ninth. A multiple intelligence theory can draw students back into learning using the different intelligence To teach concepts allows each of your diverse learners a chance to succeed at learning. The learner with strength in the visual spatial intelligence will do well with drawing and